What's up, everybody? I'm about to do this hoodie, so I want you guys to see it. It's something I've been working on for a little while, but been trying to get my thoughts together about it. So let's look at it. All right, hold on. We're gonna press it today. We're gonna distress it today, and we're gonna do all the other things to it. So this is the hoodie. It's part of the thing that I'm doing right now. I had a crew neck that I did a while back, black crew neck, and it said stitched, not broken. So this is gonna be a play off of what's going on with there. I hand stitched these over the stitching already that exists. So also around the cuff, and I'm gonna do something else on this side, okay? But I'm gonna put a heart here, and it's gonna be broken, and I'm gonna have the safety pin to go through it. So anyway, this is the image. Let me show you the image I'm gonna do. Hold on. So I got this for the back. It's gonna be a back. This is gonna be on the pocket. I also got one that's gonna go in the hoodie. Now we're gonna take my Dremel tool and we're gonna distress it, and we're gonna do some other things to it. So come with your girl and let's do this hoodie.
DJ Cool.
You got so good that I can't
done everything that I'm gonna do, I believe, to the hoodie. Early on, I tried to put HTV down the sleeve that said stitched not broken, but I decided against it. I may revisit that. The font was too small, so I may revisit it and put it on the sleeve. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me and watching me do the hoodie that I'm doing for my clothing line, 3LEVEN76. Check us out on ahccustoms.com and let me know how you like the hoodie.